Hi everyone. Let's talk about something really helpful for people living with muscular dystrophy. It's the chairlift that helps you get up safely after a fall. We all know that falls can happen, and when your muscles are weak, getting back up isn't always easy. That's where this clever device comes in. A chairlift is a portable, battery operated seat that gently raises you from the floor to a seated position. No strain, no panic, no risk of injury. It's especially great for people with muscular dystrophy because it allows you to stay independent and safe, even if you live alone. Plus, it gives family and caregivers peace of mind. It's lightweight, easy to use, and compact enough to store away when you don't need it. So, no more worries about what if I fall. You've got a plan, and it's a good one. Stay safe, stay confident, and keep living life your way.